Yes. Oh, this is fun. The Honzo is back.
Why don't they sit on the ground?
This is going to be exciting. Oh, I'm going to have to put the saddle up manually. No dropper, almost no brakes, no gears. This should be fun. I haven't done this in a long time. Oh, morning. I keep shifting. Oh, also the rear wheel could just come apart at any time. Oh, this is tough. Okay. I'm already over that. I'm basically just gonna be out of the saddle the whole ride. Hiking a little sooner than I thought. Something tells me I'm not gonna make this. I like how quiet it is. Oh, no, 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 no. That's a big line, Bike. Big bike line. Oh. Really feeling the 35 PSI in the rear wheel. Stop and wait for the camera. That was fun though. It's cool not hearing the chain slap around. I like that. The brakes don't really do much. I got a Dior and an XT mounted to single piston Dior calipers. 120 Pike, about 115 PSI, running a bunch of compression, almost locked out. It's rough. Oh my God. Can't get over the urge to shift. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, this thing's a single track destroyer. Oh, there's a fucking climb. That's right. Come on, don't be a little bitch. Yeah. Woo! So we used to do it back in my day. We didn't have those fancy dropper posts that you kids have. We had to get off the bike and put our saddle up by hand. Who needs gears? That big old dinner plate you got down there? I don't need it. Totally not necessary. I'm fucking walking. Are you hitting those jumps on the dirt scooter?
Not the gaps, but the tables.
But you're hitting these on the dirt scooter?
Tables, yeah.
Oh, dude, I gotta see that. Go get that thing.
Yes. Okay, a little bad.